Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to find the limit. So this one that is about 4x plus 4h. Next 4x minus 4x. Next 4h divided by h, so we have number 4. Now we need to focus on this one, so we can do common denominator of this one. So this one we need to multiply by x. This one by x plus h. So this one we have 2x plus 2h. Next 2x minus 2x. And now we have like this. Next h divided by h. And now we put number 0 going here. So we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.